Barnaby the bus wakes with the sun.
A brand new day of city fun.
Good morning, city! His engine rumbles. Vroom! I'm here! He pulls up to the very first stop. Welcome aboard! Hey! Let's ride together for a happy while. Doors are closing now. Please hold on tight. Down the sunny street, a happy sight. A friendly dog gives a little hop. He sees the traffic light turn bright red. Time to wait a moment. Green means go, so off they zoom. Making space, giving lots of room.
His happy horn goes beep, beep, beep.
Waking all the cars that are asleep. Past the park where children love to play. He wishes them a very happy day. Next stop is the market. Fresh and grand. Grand. The best and busiest stop in the land. The day is ending, the sun is low. Time to head back home, nice and slow. Good night, dear city, till we meet again.